hard to believe that there's no easy way to hang your most basic everyday clay pot. What if there was a way to take your pot, any pot with a center drain hole, and convert it to a hanging pot that's still drained? Better yet, what if you could connect those pots to each other and form instant vertical gardens with a clean look that was healthy for the plants and easy to maintain? Introducing SkyPots. Here's how they work. First off, I'm not selling the pots. There are plenty of pots on the market and at your local nursery or at Home Depot or Lowe's. SkyPots are pot hanging kits. Each hanging kit consists of a stainless steel rod, 2 draining flanges, a wing nut, and an eye nut. The key to the design is the drainable flanges. Using my 3D printer, I designed flanges with a recessed drain chamber and sized the holes so that they wouldn't clog. I also added an O-ring channel to soften the grip on the pot. Assembly is simple. First, take the rod, thread the wing nut about halfway down. We'll make a final adjustment later. Then install the top flange. Flip the pot over and install the bottom flange, and then thread on the eye nut until you can see through the indicator hole at the bottom of the rod. Now it's time to add plants. Plant like you would in any normal pot. If the plants are large, you may have to push the rod gently up through the center of the root ball. Once you've converted 2 or more of your pots into SkyPots, start connecting them to form endless arrangements of vertical gardens. When it's time to water, watch the excess water start to drain down to the plants below. To water indoors, take your plant to the sink or water each pot separately over a shallow dish or mug. Connect the Catch Junior to catch the last drips before rehanging. SkyPots will forever change the way you interact with your plants because they'll be at eye level and cater to you well. You'll naturally pay more attention and respond to their needs. Connect your pots and connect with your plants. But I must warn you, they're highly addictive. I've assembled and connected over 30 SkyPots in my garden. What I'm really looking forward to is seeing how you use them. Thanks for your support and bringing this exciting new product.